Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install the Google app on your iPhone. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, go ahead and open up your App Store. Tap on it. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, use the search bar right here at the top. Tap and find Google. All right. Once that's done, tap on search. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, here we have Google Chrome, Google, another Google Chrome right here. But most importantly, we are going to download Google right here. Okay. This has more ways to search. Now, just tap on Get if you don't have it, or tap on Update if you already have it. And then just wait for the process to finish. All right. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and view the everyday Google AI apps or view Google bundles right here. If you want to install Google Gemini or Google Chrome, it's up to you. Okay. So as you can see here, the installation process is done. All you got to do next is just tap on open, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you'll be automatically logged in by using your iCloud. All right. And that is it. That's how simple it is to install Google app on iPhone. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.